Top 5 Penultimate Niche Research, episode 22. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the top 5 penultimate niche research. So without further ado, let's get right into it. At the end of this video, we're going to release the names of the 2 winners for last week's giveaway. So if you're interested in that, stick around to the end. Our first niche for today is Friends reunion shirt. So it was about 2 days ago or so, or a week ago, that the trailer for Friends surfaced on the internet, and many people were going crazy about it because Friends is a series that many people around the world have watched, and it's a sitcom, situation comedy, and it's really very emotional to see that all the friends are going to reunite after 17 long years. And it's crazy to see how over the years they got to change, and we get to learn about everything they've been through. So this t-shirt right here, how you doing, it's, if you're familiar with Friends, it's always said by Joey, and it's doing quite well, over 103 sales and over 10 reviews, price of $14.99. You can tell for the BSR that it's doing quite well. Look at this, overall trend is up, current trend is up, and the BSR is already at 1 or even approaching 1. So this is a great opportunity for you to grab some extra sales and to tear up your Merch by Amazon account. So you can use the keywords Friends. I'll be careful using the keywords movies and cinemas because I think your account your design can get rejected. So from the same brand, we have this other one that I'll be there for you, and this other one, we are on a break, or we were on a break. I think that is Rachel's saying we're on a break herself. And moving on to niche number 2 is Juneteenth. So June 19th, in a few days we're going to be in June. June 19th is a significant day in history for Blacks, and this shirt here is doing quite well. Juneteenth vibes only. It's priced at $16.66, over 139 sales and over 139 sales. No reviews yet. That shows that many people still haven't gotten the opportunity to leave a review, but the sales are doing quite well. And overall trend and current trend is not applicable because this is a new shirt and it hasn't had the time to gather data, but eventually it will. But I'm saying a trend here because t-shirts that make sales like this without any being launched and make sales like this, it can only tell you one thing, that 2 things actually. The first thing it tells you is that the design is great, and the second thing is that the niche is trending. So those are the 2 things you should focus on right here. And the keywords you can use is Juneteenth, Black, melanin, women, month, history, African, and all the like. So that's it for this design. I'm gonna show you other Juneteenth designs that are doing quite well. This is another one, Juneteenth, Black King. This one is kind of funny. It has nutrition facts. This is a quite unique design. It says melanin 100%, foolishness 0%, consciousness 100%, intelligence 100%, leadership 100%. So this shows you that Africans are not foolish, they are intelligent, they have leadership skills and all the like. So it's a very great gift for Africans on this Juneteenth, or you can even use it for Black History Month here. It works both ways. So it's priced $16.99, over 82 sales and no reviews yet. Take a look at the BSR. It's already at one. Look at that, or approaching one, if I may say. So the BSR overall trend up, current trend is up, and keywords you can use: Black Juneteenth, just like the other one, melanin, Black history, African American, and all the like, and similar designs. Anyway, this is not related to Juneteenth. I think there's one more. Yes, one more Juneteenth design that I would like to show you guys. Is this one is quite historical. All the very famous names in Black history. We have Martin, Harriet, Malcolm, um, Garvey, Rosa, Obama, Kamala, all of them are right here. So this t-shirt is also doing quite well. 131 sales and priced at 16.95. No reviews yet. And you can tell from the BSR. Look at that. There's a sharp fall there in the BSR, and the overall trend is up. Keywords you can use: Black, Juneteenth, as the other ones, Black History Month, American, melanin, and all the like. You can even give this as a gift for your birthday. These designs are nothing related to Juneteenth, so we're not going to talk about it. So our niche number 3 is raising the future. So this t-shirt started trending when Meghan Markle wore it on one of the interviews that her husband was having. She just popped up with this t-shirt saying raising the future, or the words on the t-shirt saying raising the future. So of course, very smart entrepreneurs and t-shirt creators got the idea to create a similar design, and to the best of my knowledge, it's not trademarked. The words raising the future. So many people have been having success with it. Look at this price, 19.99. That's almost, or even $5 royalty right there, and over 20 sales. Multiply that, that's over 100. Why $100 right there, just sitting in your house doing nothing, just upload one single design and it's making you money over and over again. So that's one of the things that I like about print on demand, is that it can give you passive income very easily. If you have to take care of other things, like maybe if you're going to school, you have the time to go to school and have your side business. Maybe if you're working, you can go to work and have your side business too. Maybe if you're taking care of your family, you can do that too. That is one of the reasons why I went into print on demand. It's a very awesome business, and if you follow the tips that I give you, you'll be making sales too. So this t-shirt time to rank because it's fairly new, and don't have the time to leave reviews too. So the keyword you can use: rating, future, trending. I'll be careful about using trending. Amazon also like you influencing customers to purchase your shirt, like best or trending or things like that, words like that. So I'll be careful about using trending. And similar designs. This one too, nothing related to raising the future. So we're gonna move over to the next niche. Niche number 4 is on Max Arcades. So on Max Arcades is a protest like parents who want their kids to go back to school so bad. I think that parents are tired of having kids home. Um, it's been mixed feelings, some bad feelings, some great feelings, that is you're spending time together with your family. But the bad part of it is that you have to deal with the messes, the noise, and all the like. So I guess it's time to send kids back to school. But my problem is that, or my concern is that, is the pandemic over yet? If the pandemic is not over yet, why is there need for you to rush your kids back to school? Their safety is paramount. I think parents should think about that first before rushing over and demanding that kids get back to school. So this is one of the t-shirts that has been trending on Max Arcades, and it has sold over 32 times, priced 13.99. And as usual, it hasn't had time to rank yet because the design is fairly new and is doing quite well. So the keywords you can use, wow, this person used the basics, no description, I'm sure. Yeah, there you go. So when you don't give a description like this, it's a quite sensitive topic. It's related to the pandemic. And Amazon doesn't like anything that has to do with human tragedy. So this design right here is quite on a slippery slope. I wouldn't advise you to upload it, but because it has to do with Max, and Max has to do with the pandemic, and the pandemic has to do with human tragedy. So it's quite on a slippery slope there. I'll be careful if you are uploading a T-shirt like this or a T-shirt design like this that has to do with human tragedy. But I'm just doing my job, showing you the T-shirts that are trending, and this is one of them. So the person did the basics for the keywords was on Max Kids America. So similar designs, Humankind. This one says from the same brand on Max America. On Max America, it's the same thing right here. So it has sold a couple of times. This one 5 times, this one 4 times. So not bad, but it's a very slippery slope if you're going down there. So you just have to be careful. So the last niche for today is, of course, Father's Day. So Father's Day isn't here yet, and it's quickly approaching, and Father's Day designs are doing well. This one right here, I tell that jokes using the periodic table, and wow, it's doing quite well. 223 sales, price 19.98, and over 340 reviews. So this one right here, wow, it's like the t-shirt has been around for a while. It's had the time to rank. The BSRs were going up and down, up and down, and the keywords you can use is jokes, funny, men, apparel, periodically, or the periodic table, humor, and things like that. So that's our first design for the Father's Day niche. I'm going to move to the next Father's Day design, that of two boys. If you've been watching my channel for a time, you'll notice that for the Mother's Day t-shirt designs, you saw mom of two boys. So if mom of two boys was working, obviously that of two boys will work. And the funny thing about this is that you can change that of two boys to that of two girls, or even that of twins, that of one boy, that of three boys, three girls. So you can just mix match it like that and change words, switch words, swap words, and upload many designs depending on the slot you want to use. And this t-shirt is priced $15.97, over 22 sales, and it's a fairly new t-shirt. That's why it hasn't had the time to see the BSR. And the keywords you can use: funny, family, birthday, celebrate, and things like that. And we're going to move over to another Father's Day design that is doing quite well. I'm not sleeping, I'm resting my eyes. That's kind of funny when maybe mom gets into the room and she catches that he's sleeping when he's supposed to be watching the kids. So he'll be like, I'm not sleeping, I'm just resting my eyes. So that's quite funny, and it brings back memories. So the t-shirt priced at $16.99, over 123 sales and 18 reviews. And look at this, overall trend is up, current trend is up, and the BSL going up and down, and it's already at 1. So we can use keywords for this design such as sleeping, father, or even Father's Day, husband, birthday, and all the like. So I wouldn't recommend you using gift. Gift has been banned by Amazon. And this is the same design from the same brand on different t-shirts. So I'm guessing this one is on the European market. I can see a pound sign there, and this one too on the European market, but on a different color. So this is the last design in the Father's Day niche. This one says it's not a dad board, it's a father figure. So I searched father figure, and the word father figure is trademarked. So I will be careful with that, the way you're using it. And this t-shirt is priced at 17.95 over 36 sales, and it hasn't had the time to rank. That's why you don't see any BSR history. It's doing quite well. That's why Flying Research picked it. Um, the keywords you can use: father, support figure, family, parenting, funny, and all the like. So before we So the things we are looking, or the events we're looking forward to, is Memorial Day, which will be on Monday, if I haven't mistaken, and Juneteenth is coming next, then Father's Day. So that's what we are focusing on right now. And before we come to the end of this video, I'll just quickly announce the names of the winners for our last week's giveaway. Before we come to the end of this video, I'll just quickly remind you that Father's Day Designs is right here on my official Vexels page. The link is in the description if you want to grab all the Father's Day designs right here. Download for free. I talked about it in my last video, but I'm just quickly reminding you. Father's Day bundle, you have I think over, I'm not sure how many designs, but there are quite many. Courtesy of Vexels, it's all free for you. Just come click the link in the description to download the designs. So congratulations to Amanda Hastings and Jeffrey Coleman for winning this week's giveaway. I'm gonna contact you to claim your prize. If you'd like to enter for our next week's giveaway, click the first link in the description and you'll be brought to a page like this. It's not yet started, and it's going to start on May 31st. I'm guessing that's tomorrow. Yes, that is tomorrow. And by tomorrow, it should be live, and you should have the opportunity to enter for our next week's giveaway if you're interested. The link is the first in the description below. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first one notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.